we are here on an airplane. Yeah. Hello. We are going to LA.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in Los Angeles very shortly. At this time, we just ask that you please power off all electronics, ensure that your carry-on items are now safely stowed for landing, as well as that your seatbelts are securely fastened and your seat backs and tray tables are now in the full upright and locked position. Your flight attendants will pass through the cabin one final time to collect any unwanted service items such as garbage or recycling. If you do have any garbage that's made its way to the seat pocket during the flight,